I'm going to go over two tickers, SPX and NQ, but first up is SPX. Trader Murat sent me a message 2 weeks ago and said that both are close to support on the daily time frame, and I've been so busy that I have not had a chance to take a look at it, so I'm going to do that right now. We ended the day for SPX at 68.24.67. To the north side takes us back to the middle of the trend and the baseline, and that is roughly 68.53.81. This is one level of resistance and a potential take profit area. We could see price follow this line upward or chop sideways. Now, to the north side of that takes us to two standard deviations, which is roughly 69.46.64. Down the road, we could see 69.95, and at another level of resistance and another potential take profit area, 70.43. To the south side takes us back to -2 standard deviations, where this gap begins at roughly 67.53. Below that, at another level of support and a potential buy-in area, 67.06.39. This is also a potential stop loss area. And then below that, we have roughly 66.58.16. The gap closes out at 66.17.29. And looking left, you can see we made a leg up right here, from here to here. That, let's take it from here. I have the magnet turned on, so it's a little wonky. That's a 3.48% return. And we're actually even higher slightly. Oops, got to move that. That's about a 4.20% return. You can see we were grinding sideways here, and we were down here, and then gapped up as well. Let's take a look at this on the daily time frame. It has been a long time since I've looked at this. There are many gaps to clean up, including this one that will take us to 62.38.39 for a major pullback. Oops. Yeah, see, there are some gaps right here. And this one, look at that, closed to the downside at roughly 63.42 or 41 I wrote here. Let's delete that. No longer a landmine to the south side. And we have this tiny gap that filled. Delete, delete. And what about this one? What happened here? Oops, Command Z. See, you go to a different time frame and then it gets wonky on you. This one took us down to 65.12.88. Oh, it's still in play, it looks like. Oh no, it touched. It opened up on September the 10th of 2025 and closed on Friday, March 20th. That's been forever since I've looked at this. That is no longer in play. So we have other gaps here, which I will extend later. Just keep that in mind. Let's just do two more really quick. Extend, 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 extend. And then a bunch more down here. But 2 weeks ago puts it around, I think I made this video, I can't remember now, but I did the Nike video, I think on the 20-something. But anyway, look, we're grinding along the middle of the trend here, and then boom, got slammed down. This is support. We broke through another level of support, and now we've bounced off of that, and now we're grinding sideways. So The goal is to get to this line, which takes us to 70.70, and then to the south side, that will take us down to roughly 65.67. All right, let's take a look at NQ, the E-mini NASDAQ futures. It's been forever since I looked at this one as well. Okay, to the north side takes us to 26.494. That's resistance, one potential take profit area, an area where we could grind sideways or continue to go up. But after that, that will take us to roughly 28.899. I should just stop right there. But the outer bands will eventually take us to 30.094 and 31.331. To the south side support, potential buy-in area, potential stop loss area, 24.076, 22.852, and roughly 21.643. These lines that I marked in purple are from 2025. The last time I did a video, I did a video when we were at 23.20375, and now we're at 25.84, but obviously we hit higher. All right, and then I marked it or tracked it when it was 18,682, 16,820, 14,367, and 13,257. We've been all over the map, but just grinding along this line, this upper band here, and then getting slammed back to support, and then a run up. Wow, look at this major pullback here. And what else? The RSI looks like it's about to go sideways. And very quickly, one other thing I want to do is take a look at BTCUSD. I just did this one, and we've run like the dickens. Oh, and then, where are we? Okay, I did the video. We were at 67,611, and then we hit a high here. The blue lines are when I just marked that out. So we even hit this yellow line, which was in 2024 that I marked out at 73,000, but we've retraced a little bit. The target will be roughly 84,833 and 68,566 to the south side for a retracement. All right, I'm going to end it there. I have errands to run. I'm going to run to Home Depot and get some soil for my plants. I'm surprising my neighbor and redoing her little pot, so got to get out of here. If there's a ticker you want me to go over, please let me know. And thank you to Trade Marat for pointing out SPX and the NQ. And have a great trading day and a great Friday.